Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add social links on Reddit account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Reddit application. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on My Profile. Tap on Add Social Link button. Now start by adding your social links. Once you are done, tap on the Save button. And this is how you can add social links on Reddit account. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.